Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and welcome to our Hammerstall Knife of the Month recipe. This month, we're featuring the Hammerstall 6-inch serrated utility knife, so what else should we do but a really tasty tomato sandwich? We want to start by slicing some rustic sourdough bread. This one is seasoned with rosemary. Then we want to brush it on both sides with Olivelli's Basil Genovese olive oil. Then we want to place our heritage steel pan on the induction top. We're going to add a little bit more of the olive oil. And now we want to toast the bread 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they have a nice brown color. Then we want to remove the bread from the pan. We want to spread some soft spreadable cheese. We're using Alouette's garlic and herbs on each bread. Then we want to thinly slice an heirloom tomato using the serrated utility knife, and look how easily it cuts through. Then we're going to place the tomato slices on the bread, and we also want to season the tomatoes with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to roll up and shred a couple of leaves of basil and add to the tomatoes as well. We're going to drizzle the toast with more of the Basil Genovese olive oil. We also want to drizzle it with some barrel-aged dark, thick, sweet balsamic from Olivelli. And now these sandwiches are ready to eat. And that is how I make a tomato toast with a Hammerstall 6-inch serrated utility knife. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Super fresh. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.